What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to go through another good lock module. If you want to watch my other good lock videos, they're linked in the description down below. I'm going to go through all of these eventually. And the one we're going to go through today is called ClockFace. If you want to download good lock, go to your Galaxy App Store on your Galaxy phone and then, or tablet, and go into the Galaxy Store, search for good lock, download it, and then you'll be where I am at this point. So I'm gonna do ClockFace. You can see it is all about, it says you can configure many different clock styles on the lock screen and always on display, and customize the clock however you want. So I'm gonna click on that. And right at the time of clicking on it, you can immediately go into always on display, which we will go into immediately. And this is going to allow us to create a clock or use a pre-configured one. So right when you open it up at the bottom there, you'll see face, my clock, and watch. So if you have a watch, you can actually create or use predefined ones for that as well, which is really nice. So we're going to go to face. And this is going to be what's on, again, your always on display. And you can choose any of these pre-configured ones. If you do want one of these pre-configured ones, like this ghost looking one, you can hit the checkbox and it will automatically set it for you. It's applied that clock face for me. And I'm just going to go right back in here. It's going to load up. You can also, since I've now done that, I can click on my clock and I can create my own clock as well. Or you can come into face and you can create it as well. Or you can edit these if you want. Like say you like most of it, but you're like, you know what, I don't really like the colors. I'm gonna change this to red, and it'll change that hand to red. And you come down to the minute hand, you're like, you know what, I want it to be purple. So you can come in here and change the colors and looks of everything on here. You can tap here and change the colors of that, or change the way it displays the information on there. You see I just changed it to show the full day and month and stuff like that. So have fun, come in here and choose what you want. When you're done, you can hit that download button and it saves it to your My Faces. Tap on it, check it. So hopefully you can kind of see that, but you can see it's the clocks on there, notifications and time and all that stuff for the one I just created. Coming back in here, if you want to create one, you can hit the plus sign in the top right. And you see I have an analog clock here. I can delete that if I want. Hit the plus sign and then choose what type of thing I want to lay down first. Maybe I want to lay down a digital clock, and I have multiple clocks to choose from. Maybe I want it to look like something, I'll just leave it, we'll leave it like something like that. Maybe I like that. I can hit the plus sign and then I can put like the date if I want and drag it to where I want it to be and change the colors of it. You can also change the colors of those time things on there. Maybe I want that to be like that. I can hit the plus sign. I can add some kind of verbiage if I want, type that in and have it there. Maybe I like quotes, be nice. Maybe I'm a person that isn't always nice and I want to remind myself to be nice. I can put that in there. Hit the plus sign again. Maybe I want to do an image at this point, and you're like, I really like hearts. And I'll put a heart there. And then when you're done, you can hit the download sign. Now you have that. I can click on that, hit that, and now it applies it to my clock face. Now coming back in here, let's go back into ClockFace and let's do the lock screen at this point. Now this will change the screen of the lock screen. So not the always on display, but the actual lock screen. And again, you have these predefined ones that you can have, and these will be completely, bright color. Maybe you like this panda one. I'll just tap it and set it. And now for my clock on my lock screen, I have my little panda clock. But if you wanted to, you could obviously come in here, hit the plus sign and kind of do what we did before. You could play with this one if you want, if you like that. Otherwise you can trash what you see, add something else in there. Maybe you want your date to be forefront and you're like, yeah, I really want to know what day it is. And I put that up there and then add something else, a digital clock, and you want this one, and then add another thing, add a little GIF. You want something to be like animated when you do it. Maybe you like that little dude right there. You can do that. Push him down a little bit. There he goes. And hit your download sign. You have that. Tap on it. And then I'll show you. there you go. It's the one I little created, and he's moving around and going like that. So, and there you guys go. Hopefully that video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.